Howdy everybody, Michael Mass here, and we are in Magic Kingdom today. More so, we're headed to Adventureland. I normally don't start a vlog this far into the parks, but we are going to go ride Pirates for the last time and maybe try to get 2 rides in on Pirates before the auction scene ends. So we're gonna go do that. If this is your first time here, I normally do tips and tricks, also a little bit of vlogs here and there. Go ahead and feel free to hit the subscribe button, follow along, and come along on these adventures. Let's go.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Well, we've made it to Pirates. Pirates right behind me here. Nice sunny day here in the Magic Kingdom for Pirates to have its last day before refurbishment. If you are a big time Disney Parks fan, and you know about this, you knew it was coming February 26th through March 18th. If you are planning a vacation in that time and haven't really thought, okay, I'm gonna ride Pirates when I go there, it's a classic, it's always open, it's gonna be down for refurbishment for about the next month, almost a month, 3 to 4 weeks basically before Pirates of the Caribbean will come back open. Now, the reason for the refurb is they're taking out the auction scene. That is the primary reason for the refurb, is the auction scene's gone. So we wants the Redhead. Disney didn't listen, we still wants the Redhead, but we're gonna get her in another format. We're no longer gonna be seeing her in the auction scene. We're no longer gonna have the auction scene, as we will still have a Redhead, just a little bit different. I have at least one, I have a Fast Pass, one. I might ride this ride twice today. Right now it's a 35-minute wait, that's not long. So I definitely will consider riding it for a second time if I can't get a second Fast Pass. But you know what, let's go. Without any further ado, let's go ride Pirates. Let's go say goodbye to the Redhead. Hard to believe this is the last time we'll be taking maybe this walk, maybe another walk, down this line to see our favorite Redhead.
So says I, Davy Jones.
Scurvy scum and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow.
I am no chicken. I will not go. And now, you bilge rats, do I hear 6? Who makes it 6? I'm not sponging for rum. It be gold I'm after. Like your colors, you brazen witch. No need to expose your superstructure. Weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What be I offered for this winsome wench?
You'll never find the treasure without a look at this here map and this
Have a little.
Well, Captain Taxi, pretty
Scary.
I shall take this paltry sum as a starting to cover my expenses.
Well, one ride down with our Redhead, with the auction scene. We're gonna get one more in today regardless. The line's not that long, and I might be able to get another Fast Pass, so hopefully that happens. Let's go ahead and talk about some facts of Pirates of the Caribbean. So if you're a facts junkie and a Disney facts junkie, you're gonna wanna tune in and listen up now. So, Pirates of the Caribbean, if you don't know, is the last ride that Walt Disney actually touched. Not this version, obviously. This version didn't come around for about 7 years after the fact of the first version, but Pirates of the Caribbean that opened at Walt Disneyland in I want to say 66? I think it was 1966. That version was the last ride that the Walt Disney worked on. And then Walt Disney World opens up with no pirates. Oh my, like, no one liked it. No one was happy. Everybody was asking, where's pirates? Are you gonna have pirates? So guess what? They got on the ball and they opened up Pirates of the Caribbean in December of 1973, about 14 months after Walt Disney World opened. Pirates of the Caribbean was open, and we have the ride. Let's talk about the changes that have happened to Pirates over the year. One of the biggest changes was back in 1997 when they reformatted how the chase scene goes, or as I want to call it, the pooped scene goes. It was no longer a girl hiding behind a barrel, and the pirates were no longer chasing the women around the barrel to make it just a little bit more PC. The PC issue has happened once before when it comes to pirates, and there was a big uproar then about, hey, don't change something that's classic, don't change something that we love, and guess what? I mean, what, 20 some odd years later, we're now taking out the auction scene to do away with that whole, like, pirate stereotype from back in the day. Now, obviously, some other changes have happened throughout time, because now we have a movie franchise that's bigger than big. And so guess what? Throughout times, they've incorporated the movie franchise into the classic ride. Many renditions of Johnny Depp setting in the ride now. So I guess we got to give way to change at times. I'm not happy that the Redhead is gone, but you know what? They've found a way to at least salvage the Redhead, and she'll be back in a different form. Well, let's go try to ride it one more time. I'm gonna try to take some photos this time and maybe throw that together here at the end. Like I said, this is just gonna be a quick vlog because they're refurbing Pirates and they're taking out our beloved auction scene. Well, most people's beloved auction scene. So I just wanted to make sure I took it in a couple last times before it was gone forever. Okay, I got lucky and I got one more fast pass. We're gonna go ride Pirates one more time. I'm gonna do some video and mostly photo of the auction scene this time, and I'll throw a lot of that up here at the end. Yay! And boo at the same time. Well, this isn't good. Obviously, we are being pushed out of the line. The ride is broke down. I'm gonna hope that I can get another fast pass for it and hope that it comes back up sometime today. If not, that might be the last time that we've seen the Redhead. Okay, this is quite interesting, guys. I've got a re-entry ticket for Pirates of the Caribbean that's good until the 28th. Unfortunately, like I said, it closes tomorrow, the 26th, and we'll be down for a long ways to come. So hopefully it comes back open today and we get to use this. We are literally just gonna hang out here and I'm gonna try to ride this again. My phone is almost dead today. I normally bring a big battery pack charger for it. So it kind of stinks that I'm just gonna be sitting here waiting, but I'm gonna wait. My love for the Redhead, my love for Pirates, and my love for Disney are gonna keep me here just hoping to get to ride this one more time. I've been like waiting for about an hour and a half. I don't know. I mean, let's turn the focus on there. It's gonna be better. I've been waiting for about an hour and a half. It feels like it's close to getting open, but I mean, seriously, I've been listening to this music for an hour and a half. So we're gonna wait just a little bit longer. Hopefully it opens back up. Some things are just worth waiting for. Or was that melting for? I think it's waiting for, though. I think that was the first time it was said. But we're gonna wait around just a little bit longer and then head on in, hopefully. Well, guys, I think I've reached the end of my threshold. I waited about an hour and a half plus. We have about an hour and a half left open in the park. It doesn't look like it's getting reopened tonight. So my last ride with the Redhead was a little bit. I mean, hopefully I can use the audio on it. I will say that I had some people behind me talking the whole time. Not complaining, just saying that they were talking the whole time. So hopefully the audio is usable for that. and I hopefully will have a full ride through up somewhere. I don't know, I had a great day anyway. I'm glad I got to ride one last time. Sometimes things don't go as I planned, and this is one of those times. Didn't go as I planned. Guess what? We move on. We'll get on to the next day, and here in about, what, 3 weeks, we'll see the new Redhead. Our new Redhead. I know we're gonna miss the Redhead, so I think that's a day. I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this little adventure, the little knowledge that I dropped on it, if you didn't know the knowledge about it, and the fact that now you know how long it's down and whatever, if you didn't know that and you're planning on coming. I think that is about it. Go ahead, hit that like button. I'm gonna get out of here. We're gonna call it a day. I hope you've had a great day, and I hope to see you real soon, guys. See you. I was gonna say see you again so we could do this again, but this isn't when can we do this again. But yeah, so we're gonna get out of here. Thank you for your time. Here's the life.